Hi guys, and welcome to another video from New Wrench. Today we're working on the Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 through 2020 with the 3.6 V6 engine. Also the same engine can be found in the Chrysler Town Country. Just a quick video to show you the location of your oil filter. Let's take a look. So the oil filter on the Grand Caravan is tucked away just down to the side there, so you can see your the cap just there, and obviously below that cap is the oil filter itself. They can be a little bit tricky to remove because we've got this big air pipe directly above it, so it's often easier to remove this to gain full access to that if you're doing an oil service. We're actually filming a full oil service video for this car. We'll add a link for you below, so if you need that, if you're going to find that helpful, please do scroll down, click the link and check that out. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again in the future.